Go ahead. Go ahead. Gracie, stop. No, Gracie, don't eat him,
Oh no.
Well, it's an older choked hellhole.
That's not what I wanted to hear.
That old road looks pretty grown in. But it might, there's probably a moose trail when you get in there you can stay. There's the stream right there. You can see it. This is the end of the road, right, those pines. There's the stream.
Some dark looking water. That's quite a bit of water. What are your thoughts on the stream? That's some big water. The hard part's going to be getting from here to the water. Is this worth it is the question. Maybe there's a canoe down there. I think the trail's right here, Jake.
We'll just scour the bank a little bit.
There's a canoe.
You got a canoe?
Yeah, I got a boat.
You know what that means, right?
Fishing?
That means
It's
fishing.
full of water.
That means there's fishing here.
Jake, that's a skinny boat.
What are you talking about? That's wider than mine. We're cooking with gas, man. That's a blessing right there.
Yeah, it is.
Look at that.
Oh, man.
Here's a paddle. That's really cool. Someone made one. Look at this. This is a homemade paddle.
Stuck underneath it?
Yeah. I think we can use them. You see that one? Looks like they used, they screwed it as a blade. Look, see their nails in it?
Yeah.
That's the blade, and they screwed it onto a pole. Boy, it's been a while since it's been fished.
Ooh, she's got a patch on her. Is she seaworthy?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Men have built rafts to fish such places.
We got one.
Here's a paddle. Easy, Hoss.
We got one.
Dude, that's a really cool that somebody did that.
Is our boat seaworthy? Look at the middle.
Totally. There's a fish. Little guys.
You're pulling too hard.
They're just little. They're probably bait. Look at all the bait in the water here. That was a nice trout that went at the fly earlier.
Did you see it?
Oh yeah, I saw it. I mean, I could just see its side. It was probably 10, 12.
Yeah. We're just getting started. We haven't even gone upstream yet. We haven't gone all the way downstream. We haven't hit any of the spring holes. Please tell me. No, dude, I mean, do the mail call. Taking notes.
No. Nothing I haven't seen before.
Alright, we just finished dinner and I have some mail, some packages I'm going to open up, see what we got, and we're going to go back out fishing this evening. I'm going to start with the letter. Alright, so it's a letter from John Ardeen. It says, "Hello Corey, your last 2 YouTube videos were great. I have to give you and Gracie a double 10 for each one, as the flies were unbelievable. The chinking work you did was very neat. Nice job." Alright, this package, it says it's from Bug Baffler to Gracie the dog's dad. You don't get mail addressed to your dogs?
Not yet.
Nice. It's the bug jacket and the bug shirt and pants, which has been desperately needed this year so far, this summer. Thanks for that. This one is from, I don't know what it's from, but it's again addressed to Gracie the dog and dad. Insect repellent, sunscreen, Bug Guard Plus, Gentle Breeze, awesome. And then one more package to Gracie the dog and dad again. I think they're all from the same person. Majestic Pure Geranium Essential Oil. It is a insect repellent for Gracie, I believe. Interesting. Scent similar to roses. Geranium oil. Huh. Well, thanks.
Can I see that stuff?
I can't touch the pole here.
was a nice fish. That was.
It was. Oh, it's okay, Grace.
There you go. What that one's bigger than 6.
It's a brook trout. I'm not sure. Oh, easy fish. How in the world am I stuck on this right now? There. Easy, Grace. No. Nice.
There's a boat. Look at all this. This was a look. These are like pylons, almost like there was a dock or a maybe there was a big road right here. Old boat.
Is this
That's a weird
half a boat or what is it?
Wow.
Is that a pontoon from an airplane?
Is it?
I think. Or is that just a
That's a-
custom-made boat?
Somebody made it into a boat. They put a transom in right here.
What?
That might be a pontoon. This whole camp.
Corey, check this out.
Huh?
Check this out. You can see they had a. There's still pots and pans on the wall, and they've got. You can see a little bench they made in the wood stove. Here's a net right here. Fishing net.
Grab that skillet.
Okay. That net's still good. Watch the hornet's nest. Gonna look for some writing on the wall. There's the door. Look at, they made their latch. They had some old wire. Alright, going inside the old trapper's camp. Got where the wood stove was. Here's the wood stove. You can see they had a bed back there. Still got some firewood cut. Couple old pans here. I'm gonna grab one. Old timer. I'm gonna hand you both of them.
Oh, it's pretty light metal.
I think it's aluminum. In here a little further. They had a wood for the floor. All their firewood down here. Here's a pole they had, probably for canoeing. Here, Corey. There's a little setting pole.
Oh yeah.
Couple dishes in here.
Hey, this is still good.
There was their table, and they had a window with glass. It was all smashed out. This was their bed, and they had a ladder right here. Probably working on the roof. Up here, there's a initials. It says AG8 80 85 AG 85.
You don't see Colt anywhere?
I don't see Holt. No, Holt was the name on the canoe that we found. AG 85.
Oh yeah, there's some writing out here, but
What's it say?
can't tell.
You know what's interesting, Corey, is I found a can in here.
I think it says Droit. D-R-O-I-T. R-Droit. You found a can opener in there?
I found a can in here that someone punched 2 holes in, and the wire they used as a handle is the same wire that's holding all the paddles together. So I think the canoe and this camp are affiliated somehow.
There's some bear claws in the
You can see the guy had a big knot hole in his board for the siding. So what better to use is an old cover to a jar to cover it up. This looks like an old road right here. You still can see the cut wood they use for corduroy bridge right here. So I think there was an old road that used to cross the river.
See, this is the stuff we didn't know about any of this. We had no idea. This is, yeah, let's go up, see what's around the riverbank.
Man, here's another road. This is an old road right here. You can see it's all cribbed up here. Yeah. Maybe. That looks suspicious right there. That it does.
You know what I'm saying?
I do.
So everything happens for a reason, right?
It does. Here's a paddle. Easy, easy, Hoss.
Probably just hit it with a few coats of poly and sell it on Etsy. Handcrafted cedar canoe paddle.